Hello, my name is Vinay Barvi, and today I'm here to discuss about the encapsulation in the Java. So basically, this is one of my pillars of its concept, and it has like really important because the encapsulation is like a important thing that you can use them by using the private keywords. And today's date is 29th of August 2023. So let's start with the encapsulation. So basically, encapsulation it is used for like basically you can take some definition. It is used to binding and wrapping the data and explore it into the single unit. That is basically your definition of encapsulation. So in the like it refers to binding of data methods and that operate onto the data within the single unit, which is called the class in the Java. And another way to talking about the encapsulation is the way to hiding the implementation details of the class from the outside the like access only exposing the public interface then that can be used to interact with the class. How you can achieve the encapsulation? So let us talk about that. So encapsulation is achieved by the declaring the instance of variable class as a private, which means they can only access within the class. So that is how you can achieve the encapsulation. So there are multiple advantages using the encapsulation. First one is the data hiding. It's like it is, gives the restriction the access of our data members by hiding the implementation of details. And as well like encapsulation also provides the way of data hiding. The user will no idea about the inner implementation of the class. So that is the most important advantage of the encapsulation. And after that, it increase the flexibility of the code. We can make the various of the class like you can say it is in the form of the read only and the write only. So that will be the increase the flexibility of the code as well, and it you can say that it hiding the like important document of the code. And after that, you can say the reusability of the code. Like let us talk about the encapsulation. Like it is used and also improve the reusability of the code, and according to your requirement and according to your need, you can change the code as that is requirements. And also the testing of the code is like a very easy. Encapsulation code is like you can say the easy to test for the unit testing as well. And after that like a freedom to programmer, like programmer use encapsulation to hide their important data. And after that uh, in like implementation of the details of the system, like you can say this is the major advantage of the encapsulation. Like programmer freedom is most important, while like if they are hiding some kind of the information document, then they need to like hiding the important document of all. So that is like all about the freedom of programmer. And yeah, thank you. That is all about the encapsulation.